Hey everybody, this is Jacob Robertson again with Hills Equipment, Livingston, Louisiana. Today we're going to keep going through these tractors, Massey Ferguson lineup. We just got this one in. This is a global series. This is a 4707. This is a 70 horsepower. This tractor comes cabin air or open station. We typically get the majority of these in cabin air, but we wanted to try one in open station. A lot of guys like this tractor for hay, pulling big cutters, 15-foot bat wings, and things such as that. This is the next step up from the 2600 series, the 2605, 2606, 2607H. This is the next step up. This tractor has no emission, no regen, no def, no EGR, no nothing. Huge suspension seat, very, very, very comfortable. This one has power shuttle transmission. So forward, reverse, neutral, no clutch. You do not have to use the clutch going forward, reverse, and neutral. It's a pretty tractor. Very stout 3-point hitch. This one has 2 remotes on the back. Doesn't get much smoother than this. These Global Series tractors are relatively problem-free. And some of the older ones in the cabin airs, they had some AC issues. Not with them breaking, they just wasn't cooling off quite enough. So they completely redesigned that this past year. And they will freeze you out. They're outstanding tractors. These things are very hard to get right now. We have a couple of open stations coming and several cabin airs. This one has the 931X loader. They have several loader options for these tractors. This one's skid steer quick attach. Come check us out, come ride this thing. It is smooth as glass. Come see us for all your tractor needs. We carry lane sharks, we carry woods implements, we carry gator grade implements. We have quite a few Massey Fergusons on the lot now. Quite a few Kubotas, John Deeres. All your lawnmower needs, Dixie chopper, grasshopper, Ego, big dog. A little something for everybody. Give us a call. Come see us at 14242 Florida Boulevard in Livingston, Louisiana.